Maybe. We'll see. Okay, let's get started. So, what we're looking at today, let me get red. Units. Whoa. Where's my pen? Pen. Oh, come on. Ah. Hang on. Oh my goodness, what's wrong with this? Pen.
Yeah. Pen. Pen, paper, ruler.
Don't, you're not helping me. This isn't working. Let me try again, hang on. Yeah, okay, here we go. Right. Units. Units. Do we know this word?
Yes.
What's it mean?
It's organization.
Oh, yeah. No, not this. A different meaning. Yeah? Yes, good. Yes, kilometers. What else are units?
Meters.
Meters, yes.
Meters.
Time, yeah. All this. Good. Okay, so you... yes. You understand what units are.
Yes.
I wonder how many you know. So, let's write down how many you know. I heard kilometers. What else? I heard meters.
Nano.
Centimeters.
Too far, but nano.
Nanometers. And no, not just meters. What else is there?
Kilograms.
Kilograms, yeah. Grams, yeah. What other things are there?
Fahrenheit. Liter.
Fahrenheit, yeah.
Celsius.
Celsius. Liters.
Light
Liters.
Years? No, that's too far. Light years? Light years is that you?
Years. Years is the unit, yeah.
Okay.
Years. What else?
Most.
Huh?
Days.
Days, yeah.
Most.
Okay, yeah.
Minutes.
Okay.
Hours. Seconds.
Come on, give me something else interesting.
I don't know, we figured all this out, so...
What else?
Kelvin.
Kelvin, now we're talking. That's something interesting. Kelvin, yeah. What else?
Force.
T-O-M-E.
ATM.
What's T-O-M-E? T-O-M-E. What's that? T-O-N-E. What's that? What does that measure?
Wait.
Oh, ton! Yeah, okay. I think it's spelled like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Is it?
Gotcha. As American and British spelling.
And T-O-N.
And T-O-N, yeah. Good, okay. And you said atmospheres as well?
Yeah.
Alright, excellent, excellent. So you all have basic... No, you all have good knowledge of different units. Do you notice that some of the units have this guy in front?
Yeah.
Like a C or an N or a K?
Same with the grams.
Same with the grams, like a K. Does any... Yeah, like kilometers, yeah. Does anybody know what these are called? Yeah, so your K or your C or your N, what are they called? They're not called units. Good try, not quantities though, no. Anyone know its names? Now, you need to think about English. You know the way in English you can change the meaning of a word if you put this in front of it. So what are these called?
It's negative.
Yeah, but the whole, not just this one, but all of them.
Yeah.
What are they called? Oh, I thought you know this. No? No, you don't know these? No? Okay. Good.
What?
They're called prefix.
Prefix.
Is this a new word?
Yep.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Good. You're learning new words in my class. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Interesting, yeah. Yeah. Right, you got that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Can I scroll down?
No.
Yeah. Now, I'm going to write 4 things on the board and I'll ask you a question about them. So, it's like 4 offers, 4 advertisements. So, the first one is get high speed 50 kbs
Well,
broadband.
speed.
Yeah. Let's see. And this one is get high speed. So it's the same, except I'm changing it a little bit. 50 small k b s broadband. And the same again. This time now it's 50 big K small b s broadband. And this one here 50 small k small b s. So you have 4 choices here. You can choose this broadband, this broadband, this broadband, or this broadband.
Yeah.
Now, I'll give you a minute. You can talk with your classmates. I want you to tell me which is the best one. Okay, so you can talk with your neighbours, and in a minute I'll ask you, which do you think is the best?
Yeah.
No dictionaries. Okay.
You think? I think maybe
But why?
why?
Do you think you two have a choice?
Kilobyte?
Oh, I'm not saying what they're called. I'm just giving you the letters.
It look like where?
Huh? You're going with A? You're going with C?
D.
You're going with D? You're going with D as well? What do you think? Which one do you pick? Still deciding. Son, which one?
No idea.
No idea? What did you say? Which one did you pick?
D.
D? Okay, so let's see how many we have. So how many people, let's start here. How many people said A? Who was saying A? You're saying that's one person. Okay. How many people said B? Okay, nobody said B. How many people said C? 1, 2, 2. And how many said D? 1, 2. Hang on, there's only 5 here. What did you pick? D, so that's 3 then, is it?
Not even sure, but I'm just gonna
Okay.
join in.
Well, okay, so nobody thought B. Most common answer was D, but the right answer was A. So congratulations, but why? Why?
Yes.
Because
Maybe.
I always use this word.
Yeah, but why is A better than D? Yeah, but what difference does that make?
Don't know.
Okay, so let me tell you, okay? When you write small k, like I don't know, kilobyte, or big K, kilobyte, there is a difference, okay? They're not the same. Not the same K. The small k means 1,000, like kilometer or kilogram. But the big K means 1,024. So there's a small difference. Okay? And the same goes for the B. Does anybody know the difference between a small b and a big B?
Yep.
What's the difference?
It's B5 bit.
And how big of a difference is that?
Mm.
So you're right, this small b is called a bit, and this big B is called a byte.
Yeah.
So how big is it? Do you know?
Bit is.
Little?
Yeah, but what number? How much? Anyone know?
I don't know exactly.
So 8 bits equal 1 byte.
One.
Yeah. So can you see that if you were to have something like, let's say, kilobit or kilobyte, this guy here is 8 times bigger. Okay, so that's a big difference. Yeah, so you know, my point is, it's important if you write the letter small or big. It makes a difference. Makes a difference.
So is that why they put 2K, 3K? Is that the reason behind why they put 2K sometimes from 2000?
Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah.
Finally.
Now it makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
You
these
could, you
questions
so
are
like
kinda-
you can see. I think. Oh, what did they have it like 4K TV or something like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like 4,000 whatever it is pixels or something. I'm not sure. Okay. So now I'm going to give you another question, but you can use your calculator. Okay. Now I'm giving you prices. So I'm going to say the first one costs $9 a week. This one costs $8 a week, $1 a week, and $1 a week. Now my question is, which is the best value? That's what I want to know. Now, before I start, let me just explain. I'll give you an example. So suppose you can buy, I don't know, 6 eggs for, let's say, €1, or let's say 12 eggs for €1.90. Which is best value? The 12 is better value.
Yeah.
Okay? So even though it's more expensive, it's still better value. You get more per egg. Or the per egg is cheaper. Okay? So I want you to do the same thing here. Work out which is best value. Okay. You can use your calculator if you need to. Calculate which is the best value. English calculation, please. Got it?
Wait.
Okay. Who else has answers? Do you have an answer? I know you have an answer. The ladies over here, do you have answers? No? Son?
No idea.
No idea. Okay. No idea. You two guys?
C.
You're going with C?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're going with C. So the best value is C. Now, how can you calculate that? Let me show you. So if you look at the first one, I'll make a table here for you. It's 50 times 1024 times 8 bits. The second one is 50 times 1000 times 8 bits. The next one is 50 times 1024 bits. And the last one is 50 times 1000 bits. Okay? Now, the price is 9, 8, 1 and 1. So what you could do is work out how much you get for $1. And you want the most for $1. So this one here, you just divide by 1 and you get whatever it is, 50000 bits per dollar. Yeah, per second, yeah. This one here, what's this one? 5150? 5120.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh,
Zero.
yeah. Bits per dollar.
Per dollar.
Bits per dollar. And this one here, 400.
Oh, it's eight,
but divide 8, sorry, yeah. Divide $8.
So
That's 50000. That's the same as D, same value. And then this one here we have to divide by 9, and it's whatever. I don't know. You can calculate it. Anyways, the best one is C. You get the most bits for your dollar. Most bits for your dollar. So sometimes you have to be careful, because sometimes, you know, when you're buying your memory card or your USB, they're sometimes sneaky. They make it look better. So they might say something like, oh, it's 1 gigabit. That's very different to 1 gigabyte. You know? So you would see, oh, our internet is 1 GB. Yeah, but it's 1 G small b. That's not as fast as 1 G big B, right? There's a difference of 8 here. Okay, so, you know, this is useful to know that they're different and how much different they are. Can I scroll down? Yep. So, okay, we're going to make a big table now. Let's see how many you know. Okay, let me start in the middle. So, 10 power 3, you know that that's called kilo. And what letter do we use? Small k. Small k. Right, now, if you think about your computer, what's the next one? 10 power 6. What is it? Yeah? Say again?
0.
No, I think you might have it. What is it? No, that's not quite right. What is it? No, not quite. Mega. M.
Mega.
What's the next one? 10 power 9. Are you writing this down, guys? What's the next one? 10 power 9. What's that one?
0.
What is it?
0.
No. No.
Giga.
Giga, yeah. And the letter is big G. Right, next one.
Tera.
That one's Terra. And that one is big T. Okay, now to the hard ones. What's after Terra?
Something.
Yeah, I know that. But what? Peta.
What
Yeah.
modes of peta exactly?
Peta is like you would need like a server,
Oh, okay.
something like this. Next one, 10 to the 18. Yeah, quite big. Exa. Two more. 10 to the 21.
Oh my god.
Zeta.
Then Yoda?
And-
Yota?
Very good. Yota. Are you just looking on your phone?
What? No. I mean, no one's gonna figure it out, so might as well.
You're going to see it with me now in a second. Yota. Okay, they're the big ones. In a moment, we'll do the small ones. Yeah, eventually we'll get there to microbes. So the first one, 0.1. That's 10 to the minus 1. Does anyone know what that's called? That one's deci. D. Now I hope some of you know this one, 10 to the minus 2. No. You know this one. You do.
Which letter does it start?
No. You know this one, 10 to the minus 2. 0.01. What is it?
Sandano?
Sentai. Sentai.
What's... No, I never heard about this.
Yes, you did. Centimeter. Next.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Next one, 10 to the minus 3.
No.
No. Go on, yeah. No? No idea. I think someone might know. Millie.
Oh.
Come on.
See?
This is becoming frustrating.
Okay. 10 to the minus 6 is next. Anyone on this one? This is micro.
Finally, something coming.
10 to the minus 6. 10 to the minus 9? Nano. Okay, now we get to the super small ones. 10 to the minus 12. Good. 10 to the minus 15. Femto. 3 more.
Oh, jeez.
10 to the minus 18. Atto. 10 to the minus 21. Zepto. And then lastly, 10 to the minus 24. So look, have a guess. Look at this one here. The second last one here was Zeta and then Yota. And here this is Zepto. So what do you think the last one is? Yocto, yeah. Yocto.
Yuck.
Okay, I need you to write those down. You got them? Yeah, you got them? So, well, while you're doing that, I can cut this up. Now, a small exercise before the next exercise. I'm going to pick, guys, come on. I'm going to pick a couple of things here. What'll I pick? I'll pick this one. And these four here. So I want one example of something the size of each of these. So what I mean is, I'll do this one, okay? So I want you to use meters. Okay, so for the first example, you could say we are 3 kilometers away from the city center. Okay, or the next one here, what would be something that's about a centimeter? So you could just find something like the rubber or something like this. Yeah, like what's that? That's like 3 centimeters or something. Maybe, yeah, something like this. So in each of these examples, I want you to think of something that's about the size of a kilo or a centi or something. So I've done kilo. We'll do centi. What would we say? We'll say the pen is about, what's that? 15 centimeters or something like that. The pen is 15 centimeters long. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. So now I want you 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me 4 examples. Write them down. Yeah, you'll have to think hard now. I need you to write them down. How many have you got over there? How many? Nearly ready? Some? How many examples have you got? Have you got 4?
No.
How many have you got?
What?
How many examples? Okay. How many have you got? 1. Okay. And your friend beside you? How many has she got?
Me.
No, her. How many have you got? How many examples? None. Oh, come on. No. No idea. All right. How many do you have?
2.
2. Okay. That's good. And how many do you have over here? How many?
I have athletics.
How many?
Yeah, it's a trick.
A trick?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if it'll be a good trick.
You know about it. You know, I think.
What's the trick then? Go on.
Oh man.
What's the trick?
15.
Yeah.
Divide by 10 power minus 3.
Oh, that's not interesting. I don't want examples like
on.
that. No,
It's
that's not interesting.
smart though. It's smart though.
No. I want a real life example. Right, let's see. What is your one example you had?
Can we use our phones at least for the micro and the pico?
No. You can use your imagination.
Imagination.
Yeah. Let's listen. Listen. What example do you have?
That book is 25 centimeters.
meters. Good. Okay, fine. And you said you have 2 examples. Let's hear them.
The phone is a
Yeah. Yeah.
centimeter.
Good. And the next example?
And the table is a 10. Oh, is a
Yeah.
is a yes, is a 30.
Yeah.
30.
Yeah.
Is a 100 million meter.
Okay, okay. Let me help you all, right? So, the first one, you said the phone is whatever, 20 centimeters, 10 centimeters, whatever. Fine, okay. Look, look, look! The paper is 1 millimeter thick.
Yeah, 1 millimeter.
Oh, right.
It's good.
Yes, thank you, thank you. Okay. What about the next one? Micro. So you could say the
Zoom in.
the bacteria. Do you know bacteria?
Yeah.
Food.
Like on food. Yeah. Make you sick. Like a virus, bacteria. The bacteria is 10 micrometers.
Micro.
Yeah, maybe or maybe 100 micrometers, something like this. Okay. Nano. You could say something like DNA.
Yeah.
DNA.
Gene.
Yeah, is whatever 1 nanometer,
One.
whatever. And lastly, pico. You could say hydrogen atom. You know hydrogen is atom. You know these things.
Yeah.
Oh.
H.
I think.
You know on the table. 1. You know this?
Yep.
Yeah. So I would say this is about a picometer.
So what comes at Yamato?
Elect.
Oh goodness, yeah. This little thing here. These are called electrons. Yeah. So they would be. It'd be even smaller than this. Yeah. Yeah. Yato is probably the smallest thing possible. You can't have any smaller than Yato. You know. Yes. Okay, so that's, I hope, some interesting pictures in your mind. Now, next thing. So, let me see. Yeah, okay. Well, I kind of need you 3 to be at this table for just this exercise for the moment. So, you can wait. You can move in 1 second. I'll just show you what I have. So here, I'll put it here. Prefix number. Yeah, okay guys, yeah, you can move over now. Prefix number, prefix number, prefix number, prefix number, prefix number, prefix number, my brain is starting to stop working now. Prefix, number, prefix, number, prefix, number, prefix, number. Right. So you can work together, but you can only do 1 at a time. So what you do, turn one over, and you match them. And as soon as you match them, you can take them out. Okay. What's that? You have to be the same. Yeah. So like here. Yeah, these are the prefixes, and these should be the numbers. So how big is septo? How big is septo? 10 to the minus 12. No, that's 10 to 24, and so on. Okay, so let's see how quickly you can do this. Now, only 1 at a time, so you can do 1 and 1, yeah. So go ahead, pick one. Alright, so that's 10 to the minus 15, and pick one here. What one do we need? Pico. Okay, so
No,
look,
no.
turn them back. So you have to remember pico's here and minus 15 is here.
Oh.
Yeah, no, go on, sit down and see how you can do it.
Come on.
It's right, right?
Of course it has to be right, yeah.
Okay.
No. No, so that's 10 to the 3 and that's mega. Okay, we'll pick another one here. Look. Centile.
Yeah.
Oh, 10 to the 3 kilo.
No, it's like opposite, minus.
No peeking. What have we got here? Terra.
Terra.
No, that's a small one. No. 10 to the 18. Peta. How big is Peta?
You don't know?
No, I don't. Because I don't use Peta so often.
15.
Penta 15.
Is it? What?
No, ball 15.
Oh, that's 18. Alright, keep trying.
Kilo.
Kila.
Oh,
You got
yeah.
it? Congratulations, you got one. Okay, put them over here then, right.
Oh, okay. The minus 12, which is pico. Pico.
Be good.
No, this
This.
One at a time, yeah.
one time. You.
Yeah, that's pico now. Okay. Yeah, take it in.
Okay.
Come on there.
Oh,
Terra.
Terra.
Terra is here.
What terror is?
Top. Plus 9.
It's
No,
12.
12.
12.
Yeah,
No.
Terra this.
No.
And
I think
you take like
this?
Yes.
No.
no.
Minus.
Try.
What's this? That's nano. Okay, nano.
Yeah,
It's
no.
minus 9. What's mine? I don't know how to kill them.
No.
No.
Oh, you guys aren't doing well at this.
Terra.
Where is Terra? Where is Terra?
You can try here.
Alto.
Alto wolf.
Minus 18 bait.
Minus 18. No, it's minus
Maybe
15.
it is.
Minus 15.
Try this.
Minus 15.
15. It's maybe this.
Where is Terra?
I don't know.
No, 8 to find. Oh!
Yoko?
We found Terra.
This?
No.
No.
That's how to make it, huh?
Terra is 12.
Okay. Okay, here.
Go here.
That's 5, 6.
Yeah.
Oh, so close.
6?
6. Is it 6?
Yeah.
No, mega. 6 is
Mega 6, yeah.
No.
Mega 6, what did you have?
Everyone remembers.
Yeah, 6.
I remember this as
Giga.
Giga.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're searching.
9.
Peta.
Part
15.
This?
No, it's
15.
minus. Yeah.
Oh my god, okay. I need to keep an eye.
Okay, use this.
Good idea, you can put them in order as you uncover them.
Oh yeah.
No, you're mixing them up now if you move them over.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go.
Yeah.
Your turn. What?
Oof. So close.
No.
This is
Jojo.
remember. Same.
Yeah. No.
No,
Minus 15.
They're not there.
Okay, wait.
Here.
minus.
How about we organize
Is
also
that,
these are
minus
3
is
6s
here.
and these are okay. Let us organize these two. Okay.
Wow, this is hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, so close. This is minus.
Yeah.
Minus 3, minus
This
6.
3, 6. This 18.
No, 21.
21. Good.
Minus here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this?
One.
No. No,
15.
No.
18.
Not you.
Big
No.
bad.
Okay. Let's make it a little bit easier now. It's hard. So what we'll do, we'll turn them all up. Okay.
Oh.
Right, and let's just see how quickly we can match them up. We'll try to get the easy one. So giga is, well, let's do an
6.
easy one. Easy one. Milli, we know 10 to the minus 3. So where's that? Okay, so that's
One.
fine.
21. The top 21.
What one?
21.
Yeah, but try
This.
not to look if you can.
Oh.
I mean, you can. But try to get the easy ones first, okay?
Okay. Just confirming that.
What one's that? Giga, yeah,
No.
good. Yeah. Okay.
6 is 8.
No, 6 is what, Siga?
Uh,
What, 6?
Mega.
Mega, yeah.
Sun is. No, sun.
Yes, correct, yeah. Which one? Micro, correct. Sentai, correct.
29. No more. No.
Nano, what's nano?
Yeah, it's no more.
Correct. Atto,
Or Zappo.
There's no
Septo?
beat. There is no beat.
Yeah. Zappo. And this Zapto.
Zapto?
Yapto. Yapto.
Yata?
Zapto.
Is it yata or yato?
Yapto.
Yato is minus, yato.
It's no.
No, we need yato.
Yapto is here.
Oh, we made a
Oh,
mistake.
Yapto, it's mistake.
That's yato, and that's yata, and that's yato.
Yeah.
Yapto.
And is that peta?
And this.
Oh, it's gone.
sleeve.
Teacher, your laptop have
Sleeve.
Nice screensaver, huh?
as it is, other people enter your laptop.
Let's have it. There we go.
Oh.
Okay, that's fine now. Right. Now, you just have to wait a minute because Sylvia said she'll be coming to this class about your visa.
Okay.
I think- or something about your visa. So, at 12:50. Yeah, so she should be here in a minute, okay? Did she email? You got an email about this?
Yeah. Here?
Yeah, yeah.
I forgot my.
She said she'll come here
Okay.
to talk to you about your visa.
Okay,
Yeah.
sure.
I mean, you can pack up, but you have to wait here a minute for her.
Yeah, over here still.
You don't have
Oh,
to.
good.